सो मैं पहुंच गया हूँ थेकेडी एंड अभी मैं जाऊंगा साइट सीइंग करने। मैंने जीप बुक किया भैया से। अगर आपको रूम्स चाहिए, जीप चाहिए तो आई विल गिव द नंबर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो, तो डू चेक दैट आउट। भैया के होटल में रहो, यहाँ से जीप ले लो, भैया अच्छे से घुमा देंगे। एंड आपका होटल का नाम क्या है? महेश होटल, एकदम पेरियर जो वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी है उसके गेट के सामने ही है, तो बहुत ही अच्छा लोकेशन है। सो यू कैन गेट इट इन रियली बजट। Okay, so I'll go there. Room also budget, jeep also budget, सब कुछ budget में। तो अभी हम लोग जीप लेके जाएंगे, एक्सप्लोर करेंगे थेकेडी एंड देन विल सी द डांस फॉर्म एंड एज वेल एज द मार्शल आर्ट्स। सो या लेट्स गो।
थेकेडी व्यू पॉइंट। अच्छा, ये सुइसाइड पॉइंट है, केरला तमिलनाडु बॉर्डर है। वाच टावर 3 प्लस ये मसाला गार्डन है। हाथी सफारी नहीं चाहिए?
नहीं चाहिए। मसाज कौन करेगा, लड़का या लड़की?
वही मेल टू मेल, फीमेल टू फीमेल। यू डोंट माइंड, यू कैन गो डायरेक्टली गोवा।
हाँ, वो तो मैं हर साल जाता हूँ।
So I've reached the Spice Garden and it's in THEKKEDY Kerala. He is the owner of this garden and his name is Mr. Sabu, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Please tell me something about your garden.
Okay, good afternoon. This one is a spices garden. My garden name is the Spice Root Ayurvedic and Spices Garden. And actually in India, only 2 places are in the spices garden. One is in Goa and in Kerala. Kerala is Idukki district. Right, Idukki district is a spices garden. I think above 50 spices gardens are here. My garden name is the Spices Garden. Only 3 kilometers from on the way to Munnar, from THEKKEDY town. We can see the Spices Garden, the spice roots. All kind of spices plants are here. That means the cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, pepper, vanilla, coffee, cocoa, like that. All kind of spices plants you can see here, and some Ayurvedic plants also. We have so many guides are here. Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Gujarati, Arab, and so many language staffs are here.
Okay.
The person will come with your guys and explain everything. Yeah. Then we have
in their own languages. That will be very good.
Yes. And then we have the spices shop also.
Okay.
Any spices and organic spices. That means with oil spices you can buy from here, and Ayurvedic products also.
Nice.
Okay, that is the total 1 hour program.
Okay.
You can enjoy and you can buy the spices and other things also.
And what was the rate?
Rate is normal rate, reasonable rate. That is a pure product.
No. What's the rate of this program, 1 hour program?
That is 1 hour program, per person 100 rupees.
Only 100 rupees
Yeah.
per person. So that's really good.
You know the Ayurveda medicines? Yeah, the main ingredients of Ayurveda medicines also I will show you. And finishing then you can see all the products in the shop. Okay. We can start from here. See, here you can see one big tree. This is one special spice. English it is called allspice, or commonly known as Sarva Sugandhi. Understand the meaning? Yeah, Sarva Sugandhi. But now, no need old age. Now new generation also suffering a lot of joint pains. It's a real name, Keliandre, commonly known as powder puff. See the shape. It's look like a puff, powder puff like a different colors available. White color, pink color, red color.
See this color.
Because of its shape and color, it's famous. And here you can see one fruit. It's look like atta. It's not atta. Cinnamon, flat dalchini. And second one, this one, machine cutting. That is rolled cinnamon. Yes. See this. You see some flower buds. That is the clove, Arabica and Robusta. Arabica, it's actually, it's native Arab country, Yemen. Yemen is the native, that is the number 1 quality. And this is the second one, Robusta, it's native Brazil. So all the coffee, and if we have this plant, it prevents the global warming. Mainly the art of living Sri Ravi Shankar found this plant. And if the cancer patients, more iron content. So the
So we came to this lover point or the suicide point, whatever it is.
सर आप लोगों को कौन सा प्रोग्राम करना है?